Hi, Karen. It's me, Miss Roten. All right, let's get another lesson of letter sounds in for today. Okay, I'm going to show you some letters. We will say the letter, and then I want you to make the letter sound at home. Okay, here we go. I'm going to turn the camera. Okay, what letter is this? I bet you said G. That is the capital letter G. What sound does a G make? G. I hope you went G. 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 That is the sound the letter G makes. Let's look at the next letter. That's the letter U. What sound does the letter U make? The short sound is I said short sound because it's a vowel and it has two sounds. And the other sound the letter U makes is U, just like the letter. But we're going to say the short sound, Let's look at the next letter. What letter is that? Did you say H? That is the letter H. Make the H sound. That's the letter H sound. How about this letter? That's the letter L. It says ul. Ul. The letter L says ul. How about this letter? Letter A. It says ah. Ah. That's the short sound for the A. The long sound for A, because it's a vowel, says A. That's its name. Short sound, ah. Ah. All right, let's look at another letter. The letter C. The letter C says k, k, like cat. How about this letter? Letter Q. Q says qua, qua. How about this letter? Letter P. P says p, p, p. All right, last letter. You know this one, letter O. Long sound says O. Short sound, because it's a vowel, it says ah, ah. I bet you knew that. Okay, I want you to go back through and say these letters and make the sound. Let's try it one more time. We'll go together. O says ah. P says p. Q says qua. C says k. A says ah. L says ul. H says h. U says G says g. All right, Karen, you can watch the video again and practice letter sounds. Bye-bye.